Okay, Joe, maintaining the pump assembly is very easy. It's an easy item to service. All of these pieces go together and work in concert with one another. To break it down in steps, the first thing that you'll notice is the tank gasket, which is designed to fit securely under the cap here, and that tank cap fits to this flange on the cylinder. So this can be easily removed and replaced, but you want to keep a close eye for dirt that can build up on the back side of the flange and this gasket. Otherwise you don't get a good even seal. The other thing, the non-return valve, this valve is replaceable and it's designed to snap in. So this non-return valve snaps in this hole in the bottom of the cylinder. As I mentioned earlier, that prevents chemical from being drawn back into the pump assembly on the upstroke of the piston. It also prevents and keeps the air that's been forced into the tank from leaking, or staying in place, I should say. Now, the final thing that needs to be tended to in the pump assembly is the Viton O-ring that we talked about earlier. And that's easily done by removing this nut, taking this retainer ring off, simply slipping the O-ring off and replacing it with a new one, and returning the retainer and the nut back in place. And this spring needs to be in position between the back side of the piston and the cap. That keeps the stroke from allowing the piston from hitting the bottom of the cap. So you've got a spring action there. So that's an important piece in the assembly of the pump.